The actual tor is fenced out. Right now it's not accessible due to bird nesting times. And the fence is here to protect the area from the sheep. So it's just came from, and head off on our adventure of centimeters, and that's how deep the bog is. You don't want to end up inside one of these, just avoid them, please. Great Kneeset. And a fair shot bob to get up here, so now I'm going how to make a pass up on the moor to bring a bit ditch across the feet, and to be honest, it's not in a very good condition. You can actually Hare Tor, really nice, very nice rocks, many of them actually, quite a good variety. Standis Ford, run across somewhere here. It's not a ford. Whenever always map says there is a ford, there is nothing. Do not believe fords unless it's cutting across a track. Might be something else down there, but it didn't look very promising. So around Hare Tor, we're going to cross the river soon. Go off that track, go to Hare Tor. You can see some cows grazing, a lot of rock formations. It's a nice valley. Even more rocks on the west side of Hare Tor. And Chat Tor, it's a really nice place for rock climbing. Sharp Tor, looks quite sharp, and that's where I'll be pitching my tent. And Hare Tor from one side, a view of all the towns and the fields, and Mill Tor and Bart Tor, take over estates. Trying to get some dinner made up. Got our standard expeditions mackerel and couscous, as always. So, going to be quite fun. See you in a bit. There was a view. Looks like good weather. A bit chilly in the moment, and a bit chilly tomorrow. Got an extra jacket I'll put on later. That food will warm me up. It's starting to get dark, but not going to be pitch black anytime soon. So I'm going to go in and set my alarm for some time around sunrise. Get up before sunrise, and hopefully it'll be clear skies and get some good views. So 6 AM. I'm here at Hare Tor. Done camping. Unpacked everything, absolutely no trace, and back before it's dark. The lights here, about 40 minutes, so I'm gonna get up on the ridge and hopefully see some good sunrise view. Very unusual for Dartmoor, and I'm gonna stop for my breakfast in about an hour once sunrise is up. How hard work it is going across that stuff, and basically no signs of cars. Finally got some more friendly around here. side, that way. Couple of bits around here. Great place to use. What's going on here? I'm waiting for the water to boil. Not very difficult in my head, but nice and exciting. Very nice views, very nice soil. See you on the right. You can see all the way where it came from, which is quite clear and quite sharp. There's a nice heads, but walking east now into the sunrise, and I'm going to be doing a little. There we are, Meldon viaduct.